मुझे कल बाहर जाना है। I have to go out tomorrow. I have to go out tomorrow. मैं बोल सकता हूँ। I can speak. I can speak. मुझे याद दिलाए। Remind me. Remind me. मुझे याद दिलाना ना भूले। Don't forget to remind me. Don't forget to remind me. मैं करूँगा। I will do it. I will do it. मुझे अनुमति दे। Allow me. Allow me. मुझे भी जाना है। I want to go too. I want to go too. मुझे जाने दो। Let me go. Let me go. मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊँगा। I will be back soon. I will be back soon. इसमें समय लगेगा। It will take time. It will take time. छुपाओ मत। Don't hide. Don't hide. मैं इसे भी देखना चाहता हूँ। I want to see it too. मुझे देखने दो। Let me see. Let me see. मुझे उससे बात करने दो। Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. अकेले मत खाओ। Don't eat alone. Don't eat alone. बाँटो और खाओ। Share and eat. Share and eat. मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठूँगा। I will sit with you. I will sit with you. मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. कुछ कहो। Say something. Say something. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मुझे देखो। Look at me. Look at me. मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकता। I can't help you. I can't help you. मैं व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy. I am busy. मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। I am very busy. I am very busy. मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए। I don't want it. I don't want it. इसे फेंक दो। Throw it away. Throw it away. मेरी मदद करो। Help me. Help me. मेरी मदद करने के लिए धन्यवाद। Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. कोई समस्या नहीं। No problem. No problem. यह ठीक है। It's okay. यह ठीक है। It's okay. इसे संभालो। Handle this. Handle this. इसे ठीक से संभाले। Handle this properly. Handle this properly. मैं अकेले नहीं जाना चाहता। I don't want to go alone. I don't want to go alone. मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा। I will come with you. I will come with you. जल्द ही अंदर आओ। Come inside soon. Come inside soon. तुम जल्दी आ गए। You have come soon. You have come soon. मुझे पता है। I know. मुझे पता है। I know. धीरे बोलो। Speak slowly. धीरे बोलो। Speak slowly. देर मत करो। Don't delay. Don't delay.